We're in Pauli Murray College and it's sunny. It's a perfect night.
You sing that first chord. Good posture.
Mr. Cassidy, the view energize, a thought of light flowing through and beyond the trees.
Project 14 is a collaboration of the Glee Club, Yale Symphony Orchestra, and the Yale Bands, which is multiple groups in itself.
My heart I'm ready, elation travel through my heart I'm ready.
Collaborating together across ensembles to perform 14 works within the 14 residential colleges at Yale. Being back on campus and performing with my friends and peers was incredibly cathartic. A huge part of playing in an ensemble is being physically close and feeling the energy from the people who are nearest to you. To have these performances in the residential colleges rather than Woolsey Hall, I think makes classical music and new music much more accessible, brings exposure to people who aren't musicians. All the composers are of color. There is a lack of composers of color, works of color in the classical repertoire, or at least they're not highlighted as much as they should be. I am so excited to for this project just to be the beginning of repertoire by people of color, by people who are alive. I would hope that someone would come up to me and say, like, that was so cool, I've never heard anything like that. That's the kind of music that I personally like to perform, things that push the boundaries of music and what is culturally acceptable.